Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. So as we have done exercise 6.2 earlier, so today I am going to do the exercise 6.3. So the question is, what could be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the following? These are the numbers given and we have to find out what will be the unit digit or ones digit in the square root of the following. So we will understand this by considering an example. Suppose we have to find 169. You all know this is the square of 13. 13 square is 169. If we calculate the square root of 169, so how can we calculate? We will factorize it like 13 into 13 and this will give you 13. Clear? So square root of 169 is 13, means the unit digit is 3. Now again consider 289. This is a square of 17. Now square root of 289 will be equal to 17 into 17. This will give you 17. So here the unit digit is 9, but in the square root we get unit digit 7. The unit digit is 9, but in the square root we get the unit digit as 3. So we conclude that if the square is digit in the square root, if the unit digit is 9, then it may be the square of the any number that contains 7 or 3 at its units place. Clear? मीन्स अगर किसी भी यूनिट डिजिट के लास्ट में 9 है और अगर हमें उसका स्क्वायर यूनिट डिजिट चाहिए, वंस डिजिट या यूनिट डिजिट चाहिए उसके स्क्वायर रूट का, तो या तो वो 7 होगा या फिर 3 होगा. सो बाय यूजिंग दिस कंसेप्ट वी आर गोइंग टू टेल दैट द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द स्क्वायर रूट. सो द फर्स्ट इज 9801. सो इन द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस you can see that the unit place is 1. So 9 square is equal to 81 and 1 square is equal to 1. It means अगर कोई भी नंबर है जिसके डिजिट में या तो लास्ट में 1 आ रहा है, लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है 1 आ रहा है, तो या तो उसकी यूनिट डिजिट में 1 होगा या तो फिर 9 होगा. तो इसका मतलब इसके स्क्वायर के रूट में या तो 1 होगा या तो फिर 9. तो in the square root of this number the unit digit or the ones digit may be 1 or 9. In the same, the second question is this, the second question is this 99856. So the square 6 square, 4 square will give you 16 and 6 square will give you 36. मतलब किसी भी नंबर के लास्ट डिजिट 6 है तो या तो वो नंबर वंस डिजिट पे 4 होगा या तो 6 होगा. तो हेयर 4 और 6. नाउ सेव in the square root of this number. Here the last digit is 1. So the 1 or 9. The last digit is 5. So in the square root of this number, the ones digit will be 5. I hope you understand. Now, the second question is, without doing any calculation, find the number which is surely not perfect square. Clear? किसी भी नंबर में हम कैसे बिना कैलकुलेशन के बता सकते हैं कि वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं. तो जितने भी हमने स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट किए उसमें 2, 3, 7 और 8 ये नंबर यूनिट प्लेस पे नहीं होते हैं. किसी भी नंबर में जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होता है उसके यूनिट प्लेस पे 2, 3, 7, 8 नहीं होते हैं. हेयर इट हैज़ 3, तो ये एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. इट हैज़ 7 एट यूनिट प्लेस, इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है. It has 8 at its place, इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है. It has 4 and we know that this is the square of 21. So this is the number that is only a perfect square. कोई भी नंबर है, if the ones digit or the unit digit is 2, 3, 7, 8, that number will not be a perfect square. Now the question number 3 is, find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. So we will calculate the square root of 100 by the repeated subtraction. 100 minus 1 will give you 99. Again 99 minus 3 will give you 96. हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी गिवन नंबर होता है उससे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं odd numbers. So 1 is odd number, the second odd number is 3, so I have subtracted here 3. The next number that will be 96 and the next 1, 3 and 5. Now 96 minus 5, 91. Same 91 minus 6 will give you 85. 85, sorry, 7. The odd number is 7. So 91 minus 7 give you 84. Again 84 minus 9 will give you, this will give you 75. Now 75 minus 11, that will give you 64. Now again 64 minus 13 will give you 51. 51 minus 15 will give you 36. Now 36 minus 17, 19. Now 19 minus 19 will give you 0. Clear? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. अब हमें चेक करेंगे कितने स्टेप्स हुए. 1 स्टेप, 2 स्टेप, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. तो जितने स्टेप में हमारे 0 आ गए हम उसे कहते हैं वो इसका स्क्वायर रूट है. तो इस इट मीन्स 100 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या है, 10 है. जितने स्टेप आए वो, तो ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. और 100 के बाद क्या आ गया था, 100 and 169. तो अब हम 169 का करेंगे. 169 minus 1 will give you 168. 168 minus 3 will give you 165. 165 minus 5 will give you 160. 160 minus 5 के बाद 7 will give you 153. 153 minus 7 के बाद 9 will give you 144. 144 minus 11 will give you 133. 133 minus 13 will give you 120. 120 minus 15 will give you 105. 105 minus 17 will give 88. Now 88 minus 19 will give you 69. 69 minus 21 will give you 48. 48 minus 23 will give you 25. 25 minus 25 will give you 0. तो हम तब तक करते जाते हैं रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन जब तक हमें 0 ना मिल जाए. अब हम स्टेप काउंट कर लेंगे कितने स्टेप हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the square root of 169 is 13. ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. So in this way we have done question 1, 2 and 3. Now the question number 4 is, find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization. method. So the first is 7 to 9 by the prime. This is question number 4. The first part is 7 to 9. We have to find the square root of 7 to 9 by the prime factorization. So 7 to 9 we will do it by 3. 3 2 is 6 and carry 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is again 3 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21, 3 9 is 27, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write 7 to 9 as 3 3 3. स्क्वायर रूट में पेयरिंग करते हैं 2 2 की 1 2 3. सो 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 पेयरिंग करके जो पेयर होता है उसको 1 टाइम लिखते हैं. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So 7 to 9 is the square root of 27. Next is 400. So we did the prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 5 1s are 5. So 400 can be written as now pairing 2 2. So this will come out 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the square root of 400 is 20. Now the third is 1764. The prime factorization of 1764. 2 8s are 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Again 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 22 will become 27, 3 9s are 27, 7 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7. Now pairing 2 3 and 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42. So this is the square root of 42. Now again the fourth is 4096. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, carry 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 again, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So now 4096 can be written as pairing 2 2 2 2 and 2 to कितने 1 2 3 4 5 6 pair of 2. So we will write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 times 3. 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64. So this is the square root of 4096. Now the fifth part is 7744. We have done the prime factorization. Now we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6. So by pairing 1 2 3, 3 pairs of 1 pair of 11, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 8 11 is 88. Same 9604, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 0 0s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 0 2 1s are 2. Now 7 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, carry 7 3s are 21, 7 7 7 4s are 32 and in carry 7 9s are 63, 7 7s are 41, 7 1 is 7. So now pairing 2, 7 into 7 will give you 98. Same 5, 9, 2, 9, 7, 8 ja 54, 7 4s are 28 or 7 7s are 49. The 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, and this is the square of 11. So 7 into 11 will give you 77. Same 9 to 1 6, we will get 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair and 3. 5 pair of 2 and 3 will give you 96. Again 529 is the square of 23. Clear? Now the last, that is 10th, 81. 2 4s are 8. अब ये तो जा नहीं रहा, 2 5s are 10. We cannot take 2 digits, so we add here 0. And 2 5s are 10 and 0. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 3 6 are 18 to carry. 3 7 are 21. 3 5 are 15. 3 2 are 6. 3 2 are 6. 3 5 are 15. 3 7 are 21. 3 5 are 15. 3 2 are 6. 3 5 are 15. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 are 5. 1 pair, 2 pair, 2, 3, 3 and 5 will give you 90. So in this way we have done the question number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the next question we will do in the next video. Okay, thank you.